Hey team, welcome back. This is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle. My name is Mike and today we are reviewing the Optical Gaming Mouse from Rapoo, the V280. Okay, so this is my first time reviewing the box and I'm not really sure what to expect, so let's get started. Opening the box, you can see that it's quite bigger than my usual mouse, which is this one, because this is a gaming mouse. Okay, first time review something like this. This is the manual, which I think, ooh, why so serious? Okay, I'm not sure I'm going to read this. I'm not sure uso pa ang manual, but who knows, this might be useful. Okay, so when you check out their site, you can see that the Rapoo V280 Gaming, they say an ergonomic design, customizable control, high definition tracking engine, and then colorful backlight and touch sensitive. Okay, so let's start with the design. It feels nice on the hand. Sakto. Parang sakto lang siya. It feels just right compared to this mouse na buong palm ko sa regular mouse ko. Kumpara mo dito na mas medyo sakto. The material, it's plastic, pero sa sides niya, it's rubber, and also here, and sa scroll niya. Now, ayoko mag-pretend na gamer ako, but feels nice. Feeling ko swak na swak siya sa kamay ko, and I would assume na maganda rin yung grip niya for better gaming control. So I can see right now na ang buttons niya ay isa, dalawa, tatlo. Tatlo lang pala siya. Okay, so this one has 3 buttons, customizable. The cable, it looks tough and premium for new generation players. Rapoo.com, powered by Rapoo. Mukhang maganda yung cable niya. Mukhang matibay, mukhang premium, and yung USB niya. So, sa mga laptops na walang USB, I guess you would need an adapter. Use this. Like for this Huawei MateBook 13, kailangan natin ng adapter. And then it lights up. It works. Check this out. Ooh, fancy. Okay, mamaya na yan. Okay, so sabi nila the buttons are customizable and there are 3 buttons. 2 on the left and then 1 in the middle for the DPI and then yung scroll niya na rubbery. Mukhang malakas yung kanyang optical sensor. So one of the highlights ng V280 Rapoo Optical Gaming Mouse is yung DPI switch niya in the middle, this one. This is a button where you can adjust yung DPI. So you can switch from 5 DPI up to 7,000 DPI na hindi mo kailangan ng driver to install on your laptop. So when you change DPI, you can instantly adjust yung pointer, yung speed niya, and of course, it would affect yung precision mo, no? Sa task mo, when you're in-game, yung targeting, much easier and faster for you to adjust. And they say you can also use it for photo editing now. So, nakita niyo yung screen. I'm guessing this one medyo mababa siya. Okay, let's check yung DPI niya. Click it. Medyo faster. Click it again. Mas mabilis. Click it again. Mabilis. So, hindi nga lang natin nakikita kung gaano kabilis yung DPI or nasa na siya. Pero I'm guessing yung sensitivity nga niya mas mabilis i-adjust. You don't have to go to the settings and change it ulit-ulit. But this one, you can just press the button. Makikita mo na kagad yung difference niya. So I'm guessing this DPI is important for games talaga, mostly. Making sure that you're able to instantly adjust yung speed. Yung precision, syempre sa gaming, kailangan mo ng speed, no? Depende sa gaming preference mo on how you play the game. The DPI would definitely matter and would be a big factor dun sa mga alam kung paano siya gamitin. Now, yung buttons nga niya is customizable but I haven't really tried customizing it yet. They say you can also combine yung buttons niya via the driver. So, if you have this, go to their website. I'll link it down below where you can download yung driver niya and then install in your laptop. And there you can also customize yung buttons niya. Now, the Rapoo V280 has a built-in memory. This one can save yung mouse configuration mo, like yung macro, DPI setting, and then yung breathing light mode niya. So this one, you can use it in any computer kahit na walang software. Well, this is not exactly a review. We are just unboxing and checking out the features na meron tong Rapoo V280. And also, if you notice, yung RGB lights niya is, you can see na symmetrical din yung ilaw niya. I mean, It glows up and down na hindi yung iba yung colors ng left at iba yung colors ng right. So, maganda siya na gano'n at hindi siya nakakairita na hindi siya pantay lahat na parang umiikot lang siya. And then, hindi rin siya ganun kaliwanag. Hindi siya, tama yung brightness niya, yung vivid colors niya, yung saturation. Pero it's not too bright that it's annoying. Sakto lang for me. For others naman who don't like it, you can switch it off. But for me, I think I will leave the light on. Makes me feel like a pro and an actual gamer. Originally priced at 1.3, this is now 930 pesos. I think it's a good deal. Okay na siya at sulit na siya for others who are just starting out as gamers. Available siya sa Silicon Valley, Complink, and PC Express. If you're just a gamer starting out or someone that's tight on the budget, I think that this would be a really good gaming mouse for you. A mid-range gaming mouse that delivers decent performance with the right RGB. So let me know what you guys think if you have this, or if there's anything else that you would like to know about this mouse, just hit me on the comments down below. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for you to get more updates on my future uploads. So that is the quick unboxing of this Rapoo V280 optical gaming mouse. This is Mike, and I'll see you guys on the next one.